Buongiorno. We are looking at how to pronounce this phrase from Italian. We'll be looking at how to say more interesting and useful and often mispronounced Italian vocabulary too. So make sure to stay tuned. How do you say it? In Italy, it is said as tutti frutti. Tutti frutti. You don't want to stress on those double T syllables because double T matters in Italian, so you want to make those T twice as long. Tutti frutti. Tutti frutti. Or in English, tutti frutti is how it's usually said. And now you know. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting names and words from Italy whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.